Hey guys, today in this video, I'm going to tell you how to delete your Instagram account. So if you want to delete your Instagram account, follow these steps and you'll be able to do it right away. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to open Instagram, and then you have to open your profile, and then you have to click on these three horizontal lines, and then you have to click on Account Center. And after that, you have to go down and click on Personal Details. And then you have to click on Account Ownership and Control. Once when you do it, you have this option right here of deactivation or deletion. You have to click that. And then you can choose whether you want to delete your Instagram account or your Facebook account. As both Facebook and Instagram is owned by Meta, you'll have the options of deleting both of them or either one of them. So you have to click on Instagram, and then you have to go down here and click on delete account and continue. And here you can click on any reason that why you want to delete your account. Click continue. And now you have to enter the password of your Instagram account. And once when you do that, your account will be deleted. Please note that your account will not be deleted right away, but Meta or Instagram will give you a timeline of some specific dates. And in these specific dates, you have the option to come back, log in again, and get your account back if you change your mind. But if you don't change your mind, then your account will be deleted after the specific date that they have mentioned. So that was it. That's how you can actually delete your Instagram account. I hope this video was informative. Please do like the video and subscribe to the channel to see more content like this. I'll see you in the next one.